Yeah, that's a pretty prestigious job for her.
Yeah. Hi guys, it's Tim and Donna. We are in the Punta De Mita Conrad Hotel, and we're going to take a walk down to the beach. There's my lovely wife, Donna.
10:30 in the morning.
Yeah, we just had breakfast.
Sunday.
So Sunday morning. I'll walk, show you what it looks like here.
Oh, just paradise. It definitely, to me, it looks very much like Maui, to me.
Yeah, very tropical.
Very tropical.
Beautiful flowers everywhere.
Look at the mountain over there.
Yep. The mountains down there.
Look at these trees with the red flower. Gorgeous.
They're starting to come on the pool complex. This is the adult pool. This resort sort of starts getting active later in the day.
Yeah.
You know, 11 or so. They eat late and they start their days late.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Did you get a picture of the hawk when he was flying?
Yeah. There, I did.
Beautiful.
All right. There's the adult pool and swim up bar over there.
The pools are huge.
So you can show you where we're staying. Up there in the upper floor, top floor. That's our room right there, actually. Right there. I'm taking Donna down to the ocean this morning.
Yep.
She wants to lay out by the beach. Well, that's where we're going.
Just look at the beautiful ocean the day before we leave.
Yeah, today's our last full day.
Yeah.
We've done everything here. Tried every restaurant,
Oh, yeah.
walked the beach, been in every pool, made friends of the locals, friends with the tourists. It's been a blast. Some more pool stuff. Very nice. This is one of our favorite spots out here. Negative edge pool that looks out onto the ocean.
Yeah, I know.
All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye, friends and family.
We're gonna go down to the ocean.